I'm gonna do some tweaking of Lauren's technique to make this more effective. I'm gonna get her to take off her shoes and I'm gonna get her to elevate her feet. When we do this, I'm gonna get your hands a lot closer this time. That's better. Get your feet just a tiny bit closer together. All right, already we can hear no noise from her knees, which is a good thing. You just pop that on below your knees. So you can see now she's splaying her knees out a lot more, and as a result, she's a lot more stable at her pelvis. That looks a lot better. What we have changed is we've put the elevation, we've put some sensory feedback at her knees, and we've changed this position, which is what it's done. It's created a lot more of a stable base for Lauren to squat against.